Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. It's World Watch lecture of class 5. We are discussing our unit number 3, that is settlement. And a settlement is a place where people live. In our previous lecture, we discussed about a fishing settlement in Gambia, that is the smallest country in Africa, and how people live in Gambia. And Tenji is a small fishing village in Gambia, and Tenji has about 3,000 people, and how fishermen catch fish and how many types of they catch fish. And we discussed about the fishing settlement in Gambia, and our today's topic is moving to the city, the reasons. Moving to the city's reason. A lot of people are moving from villages to cities, and a lot of reasons are here. So today we will discuss that why people are moving. Most people in Pakistan live in on farms and in villages and towns rather than in cities, but this is changing. This is changing. People are transferring from villages to cities, and more people are starting to leave the countryside and move to the city. They have they are leaving the rural areas and moving to the city, and reasons we will discuss here. According to him, I left my farm to work in a factory in the city, and I now earn more money for my family. He is saying about his point of view. He is saying that I left my farm to work in a factory in the city. He wants to work in a factory in the city, and he is saying that I now earn more money for my family. So he is saying about his point of view. I left my town to go to university in the city, and I hope to get a good job when I graduate. He has left he will left the village for university in the city, and he is saying that if he will get a good job when he will be graduate. And according to a girl, she is saying that she's a student, and she is saying that our family left our village so we could go to a better school in the city. We will discuss a lot of point of views according to these people, and she is saying that our family left our village so we could go to a better school in the city, because in village they were not getting good or better school. That's why they have moved in the city. And she is saying I was happy to move to the city because there is more to do there than in my village, and I can go to the cinema and to restaurants at the weekend. She wanna luxury life, that's why she is saying here. Then she can go to the cinema and restaurants, and they are changing their lifestyle. And according to this, we moved to the city to get better hospital treatment and a newer house, because in villages there are no best hospital treatment and not hospital facilities. So a lot of people want to change their villages, to leave the countryside and move to the cities. A lot of people are changing their lifestyle. They are moving to the cities, but living in cities, the problems, a lot of problems occur to live in cities. People suffer a lot of problems in cities. Moving to the city to live can work out well for some people, but not everyone who moves to the city can get a job. It is not necessary for everybody to get a job in city. Some people leave their farms and villages hoping for a better life, but end up living in much poorer conditions. So cities also create problems, and they end up living in slums with no proper houses and no clean water or electricity. In cities, not luxuries or no facilities are provided, but a lot of problems are also provided. For the facilities of city, mostly people live their farms and villages, but end up living in much poorer condition. That's why people suffer the problems in cities. So living in the cities provide us a lot of facilities but also create problems for the people who change their lifestyle. And Karachi is the biggest city in Pakistan. About 15 million people live there in Karachi. Karachi is the biggest city in Pakistan and 15 million people live there. Okay students, today we have discussed about why people are moving from villages to the cities and living in cities, how many problems they create, and how many problems they create in villages, and after creating the problems they move from village to city. And in cities, if they don't get a good job, if they leave the farms and villages but end up living in much poorer conditions, or any water, clean water system they don't get, and electricity system they don't get. So living in cities are also create problems for the people. Okay students, I hope you have understood that lecture. Allah Hafiz.